Hey guys, this is the Dark Hart, and today I'm gonna show you how you can turn yourself into the Voldemort. And for those who don't know who Voldemort is, I mean, seriously, the Voldemort is a fictional character from the Harry Potter franchise, which is in fact one of the most successful franchises of 21st century. Anyway, let's start. So, first thing first, open up Photoshop, set up a page size and import your pic. After that, make a selection of the subject. I'm using pen tool, you can use whatever tool you want. You don't need to select the hair in this, and you will know why as we move forward. So after that, as we know, the Voldemort has hair. So we also need to make our character bald. Yeah, my little brother is gonna kill me for this. So for that, just select the pen tool and make sure it's on shape and select the skin color and just make our own shape on the head like this one. Change its color so it matches your skin. After that's done, just make a mask and select the soft brush and remove the harsh edges so it blends with our subject. Also remove the areas you don't like. I'm quite happy with that. Now merge the both layers together so it will be easy to work with. Now we have our shape, but it doesn't look natural. We need it to look like a real head. So for that, just select the area of your skin and press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. This will make a new copy layer. Go to the layer, right click and create a clipping mask to the subject. So this way it will only affect our subject. Now just repeat the process, copy and paste the part of your skin on your head until it looks okay. Voldemort doesn't have any eyebrows, so we need to remove the bloody eyebrows. I tried using content aware tool, but it didn't really work, so we have to do it manually with the clone stamp tool. It is a little tricky. You have to find the right spot to make a clone. Be sure to do it properly. This is good enough. Voldemort also doesn't have a nose. Oh boy. So we need to remove the bloody nose now. I'm gonna do it the same way I did the head. Just make a selection and copy and paste this skin like a lot. You can also use the clone stamp tool. It really depends on the pick. After that, we need to change the skin color. For that, go to the Adjustments tab and click on the vibrance. Decrease the vibrance to 0 and saturation as you want. Then select the layer and make a mask. Press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Select the brush and paint around the areas you want. Be sure that you don't paint in the eyes. I'm also gonna make the skin a little greenish. Voldemort has this reddish color around his eyes, so for that go to the Adjustment tab again and click on the Hue and Saturation. Check the colorize box and drag the arrow to the red color. Then just make a mask and paint around the eyes. Now we need to make his nose. Go to the Adjustment tabs again and click on the brightness and contrast. Decrease the brightness and increase a little bit of contrast. Make a mask same as before and just draw the shapes. After the nose is done, I'm gonna make a new adjustment layer and just draw some shadows. Now I need to put a wand in his hand, cause without it, he's just looking like an idiot. I found this image on the Google. And just gonna place it in the hand nicely. After that, I made some highlights, put a background and put some smoke in this. And where the magic is happening, just put a lightning bolt and change its color. After all that, we just need to put a camera raw filter in it. You can also use Lightroom. It's all up to you on how you want it to look. Be sure to increase the details and contrast in this. And that's it from me today. Thanks very much for watching and be sure to subscribe.